Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back to the studio. Today we got another watercolor painting demonstration for you. Non-objective, meaning it doesn't reference any subject matter. Right, we're going to use a triadic color scheme. It's going to be fun. If you want to paint along with me, grab your stuff, right? Get set up, get ready, pause the video as you need to as you move through the painting process. I'll see you at the palette. Okay everyone, let's get started. So what I've got here is a value study that I'm going to use as a jumping off point for this painting. There's some things I don't like about this study and I'm not going to follow it exactly as it's drawn here. I'll make some changes as I go through. I'm going to kind of feel my way through it and just see what happens really. My intent for the colors right now is to do a dominant blue-green, non-dominant red-violet, and an accent of yellow-orange, so it's a triad. Like some of these other videos, the first thing that I always do is make damp paper from this. Well, this is watercolor paper, is Fabriano Artistico 300-pound cold press. This is a 15 by 22 piece of paper, which means it's a half sheet. I'm painting on a backing board of corrugated plastic. If you Google corrugated plastic sheets, you'll be able to find that in your area or order it online. So the first thing I'm going to do is wet the back and the front of the paper and squeegee the surface of the paper, and I'll be back with you. I'm going to start, just kind of mixing up some color here. Try to get a nice red violet. And initially here, I'm really just going to start laying in some color. I think fairly randomly, to start. I've got a few different blue-greens here. Darker shape up here. It's going to need to anchor itself to the edge. I want to think about making this a little darker. Okay. All right, I think that's good for this. What I'm going to do is go in here and start to dry this surface of this paper, and I'll be back. there you have it. You know, mostly blue-green painting, yellow-orange center of interest, red-violet, non-dominant with my dark values, and that's it. All right, I hope that painting demonstration was helpful for you. Hope it gave you a little insight that you can use moving forward. I hope you were able to paint with me to have a good time and kind of experience that freedom, not doing any pre-planning. If you like the video, please feel free to share it with your friends. If you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to either the video on YouTube or to the blog post, or the blog posts, I should say. Those links are either down below or next to the video. If you want to join me for a workshop, if you want to know how to do this, and we're going to do this for 3 or 4 or 5 days, however long the workshop is, join me for a workshop. I've included a link below so you can see my list of workshops for 2019. So join me in one of those locations. I'd love to see you. I'd love to get to know you. I'd love to paint with you. All right, I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.